The maintenance required light on your Toyota Sienna serves as an important reminder for scheduled maintenance. Understanding this system will help you keep your vehicle running smoothly. The maintenance required light typically illuminates every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, reminding you when scheduled service is due. This is completely different from the check engine light. Different model years of the Toyota Sienna use different reset methods. Let me show you the three main categories and their approaches. Now I'll demonstrate the most common reset procedure, which works for the majority of Toyota Sienna models. This step-by-step process requires precise timing and sequence. Step 1. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. You'll see the dashboard lights illuminate. Step 2. Set your odometer display to trip A. This is usually done by pressing the trip reset button until trip A appears. Step 3. Turn the ignition completely off. This resets the system and prepares it for the reset sequence. Step 4. This is the critical step. Hold down the trip meter reset button while turning the ignition back to the on position. Keep holding the button. Step 5. Continue holding the button for 10 to 15 seconds until the maintenance light turns off. You'll see it flash and then go dark. Once it's off, release the button and turn off the ignition. After completing these steps, your maintenance required light should be reset. The light will remain off until your next scheduled maintenance interval. Remember, this reset should only be done after you've actually completed the required maintenance service. When the standard maintenance light reset doesn't work, there are several alternative methods you can try. These troubleshooting techniques can solve most reset issues. The first alternative method uses your vehicle's multi-information display. Access the vehicle settings through your steering wheel controls, navigate to the maintenance menu, select Reset, and confirm your selection. As a last resort, you can disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes. This resets all vehicle systems but has a 99% success rate. However, you may need to reset your radio and clock afterward. Seek professional help if the light returns immediately after resetting, multiple warning lights illuminate simultaneously, you notice unusual engine behavior, or reset procedures completely fail. Automotive technicians report that 90% of maintenance light issues are due to user error, not system malfunctions. Follow these best practices for successful maintenance light management. Document all maintenance performed. Reset the light immediately after completing service. Verify the light stays off after engine restart, and keep detailed service records. Proper maintenance light management correlates with 25% fewer major repairs.